for you my whole life. Where have you been? Where the f have you been? Oh my god, stop arresting me.
You have somewhere to go?
No, I don't have anywhere to go. I don't need any help. I don't need any help.
On May 25, 2024, at Fort Lauderdale-Hollywood International Airport, officers detained a woman in apparent mental health distress.
What you doing, man?
Hey.
Come over here. You want to talk to me real quick?
Yeah.
No touching.
Where are you going?
What's going on?
What are you doing?
No, they came to I want me to talk to you. What's going on?
Why? Why me?
Listen, you're a little bit toxic.
No, I'm not.
No? Alright, listen. I need you to keep your space. Keep your space. What's going on? Where are you flying to?
Yeah.
Where are you flying to?
To Miami.
To Miami?
Yes.
From Florida, you go to Miami?
Yes.
You got your passport or your
Yes.
ID?
No, I need to find my ID.
Where's the flight going to? Let's just go to Dallas.
I literally could put my ID right now. Like,
I don't want that though. I don't want that.
don't leave, baby. Okay, ready? Eating it up, like let me run, like I'm free, like look at me, like I'm literally.
Is she on your flight?
What's the last name? To combat human trafficking. It's estimated that over 20
Can you check for me?
are you on this flight?
Yes, I am.
To Dallas?
Yes.
It's happening in our community here in South Florida. We urge
Give me a second, but you can't get too close.
behavior by calling
It's in, they're
attention.
not gonna let her fly. Does she know that? Huh? Does she know that? Shannon. Hold on, just let me confirm something before I give you your ID back.
Yeah, I know that's mine.
You got your boarding pass?
Yes.
Let me see it.
Shut the f up. That's literally me. Like, give me that. Give me it.
No, relax. I'm gonna try to help you out.
No, you're literally acting dumb. Like, that's literally me. Like, give me that.
No, I need your boarding pass.
I don't have it.
Okay, but listen.
You don't have a boarding pass, you can't get on the plane.
Shut the f up. Yes, I do. Like, give me that. Give me that.
Getting close to me. Stop getting close to me. That's it. I'm not gonna tell you again. She's
No,
not?
give me that.
Oh, you're not on this flight though.
Yes, I am.
Where's your ticket?
That's what I'm
Can I have
saying.
that? That's my ID. Like, that's how
Give us a second.
That's
Where's
my
your?
ID.
Okay, where's your ticket?
You're not on this flight. That's what I'm trying to tell you. I'm trying to help you out. Let me get your boarding pass. You're not going to Dallas right now.
No, I don't need to go to Dallas, but like that's my ID.
So
Like
where are you gonna fly to?
with you, like why are you
Okay,
leaving me?
I can walk you out and help you
Okay,
out.
let's go.
All right, let's go. Well, grab your bag.
Thank you, sir.
Where are you flying to?
Why are you yelling at me? Yes, you are.
No, I'm not.
Like you're on my shit. Like
I'm trying to help you out.
no,
You're
I
about
did
to get on a
not.
flight.
No, I did not like that. You're like yelling at me. You were yelling at me like.
No,
Yes,
I never
you
said
were.
that.
Yes,
I never
you
said
were.
that.
Yes, you were.
Everything's
I did not-
recorded.
I did not like that.
Where are we flying to so I can help you out?
No, I don't want to go there. Like,
Okay, but where are you going?
wherever you're going there, I was actually pissed off like that. People were flying and shit me. I was like pissed off.
Where did you come from?
Miami, like, I'm pissed. Like, I don't know what the f just happened, but I'm pissed. You were literally upset with me, like, I didn't like that. Like, I didn't like that.
I know.
No, I didn't like that.
I'm just trying to help you out because you were about to get on a flight that you weren't
No,
even-
I did not like that. Like, I did
Where are we
not.
flying to? Did you know?
Miami, yeah.
Shannon, let's go. Let me get you to your flight.
Like, get the f out of here.
So we're going to pay him.
Let's go.
Oh,
You what?
yes.
You gonna do what?
Yes, I've been waiting for you my whole life. Where have you been? Where the f have you been?
Baker Act. Florida Statutes Section 3463 is the correct statutory mechanism for this type of encounter. The statute authorizes involuntary mental health examination when 3 cumulative criteria are satisfied. The person must appear to have a mental illness as defined under Florida statutes, section 394.455. Second, the person must have refused voluntary examination or be unable to determine whether examination is necessary. Third, without care or treatment, the person must possess a real and present threat of substantial harm to herself or others. 3 criteria must be satisfied simultaneously. Disorientation or confusion alone does not meet the statutory threshold. Clinical observations in the field do not substitute for formal assessment by a qualified mental health professional. Statute section 394.463 additionally requires written documentation of the legal basis before transport. No Baker Act hold was verbally invoked. No written documentation was initiated during this encounter.
What? Don't stop grabbing. Come on. Shannon, let me see your boarding pass so I can get you to the right flight.
No, I don't need that. No.
So where are you gonna go?
Wherever you guys want to go.
All right, let's go outside.
Nobody wants to go home. I know it.
Let's go this way. Stop.
Oh my god!
The VIP queue.
That is so sexy. Wait, hold on.
Stop grabbing. Come on. Let's do that, right?
Grab my hand.
Stop grabbing. Shannon, let me get your boarding pass
No!
so I can help you out.
No, let's all go together. Let's have fun.
Did you just fly in from somewhere?
No, yes, let's all have fun together. Let's go.
Okay. Sit down.
No, let's all have fun together. Come on. Let's all have fun together. No, we're gonna have the greatest time together.
You got to call somebody to help you out.
Yeah.
No, I don't need help. You need f***ing help. You
Don't do that. Don't do that. Have a seat.
Sit down.
need help. No, actually, like, you need f***ing help.
Don't do that in front of him.
No, you need f***ing help. Like, get your shit together.
You have somewhere to go?
No, I don't have anywhere to go. Let's go have fun. Come on.
You miss
Come
something?
on.
Just wait.
No.
I'm gonna talk to you.
No, come on. Let's go have fun. No, I'm from South Dakota.
South Dakota.
Okay, let's go. South Dakota. Let's go.
We got to get you some help. Relax. There you go.
I don't need any f***ing help. I don't need any f***ing help.
Procedural failure renders the entire detention legally ambiguous for the full duration of the footage. TALIA standards and Florida Department of Law Enforcement guidelines mandate crisis intervention team protocols for mental health calls. The trained officers are qualified to assess Baker Act criteria, initiate proper documentation, and coordinate receiving facilities. DET response was activated for an encounter exhibiting clear mental health indicators at a high-volume international airport. Subject explicitly stated, "I need help." That statement constituted a legally cognizable request for care. To respond to that request with a structured intervention, both a procedural failure and an ethical one. Exposure to Section 1983 civil liability under 42 U.S.C. Section 1983 says when a constitutional deprivation occurs under color of law. Tension, unsupported by Terry suspicion, Baker Act authority, or probable cause creates that exposure directly.
It's gonna be
let's
South
go.
Dakota driver. Like, need it.
Trying to help you, Mom.
I'm trying to help you.
You got to sit down and try to get you some assistance, all right?
South Dakota 089.
Relax. Have a seat.
No, stop. Don't touch me.
Relax. Have a seat. Have a seat. Be nice.
don't touch me.
Be nice. Okay, have a seat. You got to be in handcuffs.
She can see I'm.
Yeah. And leave him alone, too.
Disregard. Hey, Shannon, over here. Sit over here. Sit over here. Sit over here. Sit right there.
Not really what? Listening? Bothering.
Shut
gonna leave this empty chores.
Yeah, what the f are you guys talking about? Putting up. Like, what are you talking about?
I'm trying to help you. Is anybody we can call? Family member?
What are you doing?
Any family member we can
Just
call?
trying to help you. We're just trying to help you. That's all.
So what was she at? JetBlue? You said it's not on JetBlue?
American.
She American. Wasn't on.
Flying out to Dallas, and then she wasn't on the flight.
What airline were you flying on? Do you remember?
Wait, I know where I'm going. Like, it's
Where you
actually
going?
like right over there.
Where are you going?
Come over here. Look, I got your ID.
Where are you going? What airline? What city
What
are you
air-
going to?
Airport. Literally, it's right over there.
I'll go over there. Take the counter and see if she's.
No, literally, what are you doing? Like
Stop.
that's
Be
really
Be nice, be nice.
No,
Trying to be
actually,
nice.
that's fine. What are you doing?
We're trying to help you out, find out where you're going. Don't do that. Put your hands behind your back for me.
Oh my God! Stop arresting me.
We're not. We're just going
Shut up.
to, don't do that. Be nice.
Are you f***ing kidding me?
We're detaining you right now.
Are you f***ing kidding me?
Be nice. Be nice.
No, I'm actually gonna up. No, like
Don't
that's
be
not
like
funny.
that. Don't be like that.
No, I'm
We're trying to
not
be.
shut up. That's not funny.
Don't be like that.
No, that's not funny.
Don't be like that.
That's not funny.
Okay? Be nice.
Stop.
Be
That's
nice.
not funny. That's not funny. Why are you doing this?
Come over here and have a seat.
Why are you
We're trying to help you. We're trying to help you. You gotta be in. Just sit there, all right?
Just relax.
Thank you.
We're trying to help you, Shannon.
We're trying to figure out.
I'm literally gonna your shit. Why are you
Don't
doing
talk
it?
like
Distinct legal issues define this encounter under Florida law and the United States Constitution. There's a Fourth Amendment seizure lacking articulable legal basis. The Baker Act initiation without compliance. Florida Statutes, Section 394, 463. Third, use of force escalation inconsistent. Graham versus Connor, 1989. Fourth Amendment prohibits unreasonable seizures. The protection applies in full inside airport terminals. Under Terry versus Ohio, 1968, a lawful investigatory stop requires specific, articulable facts, not a general welfare concern. No criminal offense was ever formally identified as the basis for detaining the subject during this encounter. Under Florida versus Bostick, 1991, an airport contact becomes a Fourth Amendment seizure when a person is not free to leave. Factors collectively triggered the seizure threshold, reponking exit, retaining her ID, and physically redirecting her movement. Tension of identification is a judicially recognized indicator of custodial intent under Bostick. Factor evaluated independently weighs towards seizure. Evaluated collectively, they establish it conclusively. No legal justification, criminal suspicion, or Baker Act authority was documented or communicated during this footage. Absence of documentation does not establish bad faith. It does establish a legally defective detention. He's ordered the subject to place her hands behind her back while simultaneously stating, "We are not arresting you." Under Dunaway versus New York, 1979, the functional reality custody governs constitutional analysis, not its label. Ordering compliance with a restraint posture constitutes a custodial act, regardless of officer's stated characterization. Graham versus Connor, 1989, requires all force to be objectively reasonable, judged from the officer's perspective at the moment. 3 Graham factors are the severity of the suspected crime, the immediacy of the threat, and the degree of active resistance. Applied here. No criminal offense had been identified, no physical threat had been issued, and resistance was entirely verbal. Escalating to physical compliance posture under those conditions does not satisfy the Graham objective reasonableness standard. Proportionate alternative, sustained verbal engagement, greater physical distance, and formal Baker Act invocation was available and appropriate. Officers receive a B-. The initial welfare concern was justified. Officers maintained verbal composure and sought family contact information. However, no Baker Act documentation, no C activation, and identification retained without a stated legal basis. Escalation to physical control lacked proportionate justification under Graham versus Connor, given the subject's nonviolent conduct. Subject receives a B. Consistently asserted legally sound objections, refusing unauthorized physical contact and demanding return of her ID. Statement, I need help, reflects functional legal awareness that professional assistance, not confrontation, was required. Resistance and refusal to follow unlawful directive do not constitute disorderly conduct under FLAS Act, Section 856.1. Fort Lauderdale-Hollywood Airport receives a C+. CIT resources were deployed in an environment statistically linked to vulnerable traveler encounters and human trafficking interdiction. No mental health co-responder was available or active during this encounter at a federal facility handling millions annually. Institutional training gaps cannot be resolved by individual officer improvisation in the field. 4 lessons from this encounter. D1. When Baker Act criteria are met, formal verbal invocation and written documentation are mandatory, not discretionary. In documentation, detention lacks statutory authority and creates direct Section 1983 civil liability exposure. Response is a legal standard for mental health counters. Improvised welfare checks without CET do not meet that standard. 3. Retaining a subject's identification without stating a legal basis immediately triggers Fourth Amendment seizure law. 4. Saying we are not arresting you while ordering physical compliance does not avoid custodial analysis under Dunaway. For the public, clearly stating, I do not consent to this detention, and requesting a legal basis preserves your constitutional record. Statements establish the evidentiary foundation for any subsequent Fourth Amendment challenge or Section 1983 claim. Let us know if there is a legal topic or interaction you would like discussed in the comments below. Thank you for watching.